Hello friends, this is me Naushad Ahmad and you are watching my YouTube channel Naushad Magic. Today I will tell you an important application of English where you can just see and you can just check and you can improve your pronunciation very easily. So you are to just watch this video till the end, and I promise that you will be liking this my video or the app which I am going to tell you. See the video till the end. If you like the video, you have to just comment, subscribe and share this. This is not a long video, it is only 1.5 minutes video. So without getting late, just go to your Play Store. In your Play Store, you have to just type British English Pronunciation app. So British English Pronunciation app, as you can see, it is coming at the first. So we are to just download it very first. As well as we download it, as you see, I have installed it before, so we have to just open it. See here, this the only surface of that application. This will be working like that. You have to type your word here and then you have to press speak, as we have to just write first word, that is congratulations. So see what the right pronunciation of congratulation is.
Congratulations.
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 Congratulations. So you can just type any word of yours, whatever the word you are having, and with the help of this you can just use this word, and you can improve your pronunciation. So must use that application and tell me how the application is. If you want to install that application, so you can get the link of that application in my description. Thank you so much for giving your time. Have a good day.